Welcome to the BD-Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today, we will explore the process of blurring a video background using CapCut. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our upcoming tutorials and exciting content. Let's begin the tutorial. I have added a video to the timeline. Go to the Canvas option. Select Canvas Type Blur. Four types of blur options are available. I have selected the second one. But now you will not see any effects. If I reduce the size of the video, you will see the blur background. Now I have selected another blur option. You can see the differences. Let's try the mask option. I have added the mirror mask. You can also try different blur options. I hope now you understand how to make a blurred background of a video. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.